Today, we're diving into the cool story of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Eiffel Tower is one of the most popular attractions in Paris. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most famous landmarks and architectural wonders in the world. Visiting the Eiffel Tower was a breathtaking experience. The Eiffel Tower beauty and the panoramic views of Paris from the top were simply unforgettable. It's pretty magical to take an escalator up the structure for a 360 degrees view of Paris and its surrounding areas. But the views from the Eiffel Tower observation deck is almost unmatched. Dine at the tower's Michelin star restaurant, enjoy the Cineful, and shop for souvenirs while you're here. And is a must-see for visitors to the city of love, Paris. Once you are face to face with the most iconic monument of Paris, you will be impressed by its size and greatness. It looks even more beautiful at night, with all the dazzling lights that light up the tower once the sun goes down. It sparkles and glows, making the whole city look like a dream. The Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall, 125 meters wide, and weighs over 10,000 tons. More than 20,000 people visit it every day, making it one of the most visited monument must-see for anyone traveling to the city. There is so much to see once you're inside. People from everywhere come to hang out here. It's not just a tower, it's like a big meeting place where everyone shares stories and makes cool memories. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your buddies, and subscribe for more awesome trips with Traveler Guide.